Welcome back to the Mountain Morning Show. Right now I'm joined by Jim Bizily, who is from Park City Vacation Rentals, here to show me the newest set of the most amazing rentals here available in Park City in the coming weeks and months. Jim, how are you doing today?
Hey, doing great. How you
Excellent,
doing?
excellent. Good to see you on this side of the couch, right?
Happy Sundance.
Happy, yeah, right? Happy Sundance for sure. Absolutely. You guys have been really busy, I'm sure, in the weeks leading up to Sundance.
We are, yeah. We're almost full. There's still a couple select properties, so if somebody has a last-minute request, we're happy to try and fill them.
Absolutely. Let's get right into the properties today, starting with Deer Valley Ridge Estates.
Sure. Yeah, this is a great property. It's up in Silver Lake Village. It's a 3-bedroom, 3.5-bath property. Sleeps about 8 to 10 guests. You can walk right to the village. Wow. Really pretty. The owner's done a great job renovating the whole place, so very modern. You can actually ski out down to Silver Dollar Run, so it's fantastic for families, and it's right in the heart of Silver Lake Village, so it's really a great location if you're looking to ski Deer Valley. 2-car garage. Nice.
Perfect. And you said this sleeps 10 people, so this is a perfect kind of either a big family or a joint vacation could kind of go there as well.
Oh yeah, yeah. It's super cool. Yeah, and it's definitely, if you haven't stayed in Silver Lake, you know, great place to stay.
Great place, absolutely.
Yeah, you're right there by the beach. You're right there by the ski slopes. Super easy walk to everything.
Fantastic.
So
yeah, it's amazing. I mean, the interior design in this home is fantastic as well. It's beautiful.
Yeah, great
really
homes and super terrific owners who care about their properties. They want it to be nice for themselves and also for guests. So we've been real fortunate to have some really nice properties and lots of repeat guests too.
Excellent. So that was that one for the Silver Lake area. Now we move on to Park City Colony Cabin.
This is a neat one. This is this is the smallest place in the colony. Obviously the colony we've got the castle up there that's 20,000 square feet. This one is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath, sleeps 4 guests on 5 acres. It's true ski in, ski out right off a Dreamweaver Run. So if you have ever thought about staying at the colony and you want to be ski in, ski out, here's this beautiful little cabin that you can stay in on 5 acres. You're all secluded, all secluded by yourself out there. So really a gorgeous property. And
look at that picture.
Special.
It looks so picturesque there. That almost looks like a painting of a beautiful cabin. And like you said, you're right there in the middle of the run as well.
Yeah, you're like literally true ski and ski out right off the run. Cute little cabin if you want to do something and get away and be in a little rustic mountain feel. This is the place for you, no question.
Perfect. Wow, it's beautiful, beautiful home for sure.
Yeah.
And then next we're moving on to the Park City Moose Lodge.
Yeah, and that's in Old Town. It's a great property. It's built about 10 years ago. It's a mountain rustic kind of look to it. It's a 2-bedroom, 3-bath property. It's got all the modern amenities. It's really tricked out, and it's an easy walk to the base of Park City Mountain Resort. So you can walk to Main Street. That's the exterior right there. You can right up the hill from there is the base of Park City Resort, where you have all the kids' ski lifts and everything. It's right across from the 7-Eleven, you know, which I don't know if you ever know. This is a weird stat, but you can get beer 24 hours a day. Have you ever seen that? In case you ever want a late night thing, you can actually go to the 7-Eleven and get beer 24 hours a day. It's really unusual.
If you're up at 3 in the morning and you feel like having a cold one, this is the place for you to stay.
There's a locals tip for people who like to drink after hours.
Right here for Sundance. I think that's funny. Not a lot of people know that about Park City, is that the beer is available for 24 hours.
Yeah.
So that's fantastic. So that one is right in kind of the heart of everything. You'll be right in the middle of the action there. You can get right to Main Street, right to Park City Mountain Resort. That one's a fantastic. That was Park City Moose Lodge, and next we move on to the Park City Oasis.
Yeah, and Oasis is a really pretty house. It was completely renovated. It's a 5,000 square foot, 6-bedroom, 4-bath home. Sleeps up to 16 guests. It's on a 1/4 acre or half acre, and everything you ever wanted. It has a snow park in the front yard, beautiful game room, 4 master suites and 2 bunk rooms. So this is ideal for, and obviously the owner's a pretty bit of a sports enthusiast, so used to be with the Chargers. So you know, tons of sports memorabilia, 2 kitchens, 2 living rooms.
Wow.
You know, really a great family vacation, and a lot of the cool amenities. This jacuzzi, it has out back, it even has a kids playhouse with direct TV in it and surround sound. So really, really cool stuff in this house.
That is really cool. Yeah. Even the kids playhouse is decked out with all the modern things like you had said.
Pretty sure it has 8 television sets, excuse me, 11 television sets, and
fireplace,
8 refrigerators. So yeah, if you're really looking just kind of have a nice cool time at the house, this is a fantastic property where you never have to leave the house, and a great little snow park in the front yard.
Perfect for the family getaway, absolutely, for a large family getaway. And then next we have Park City Old Town Manor.
Yeah, now the Old Town Manor is a 4-bedroom, 4-bath house. This is right on Park Avenue and 3rd. So the cool part about this is you can walk you're like a block, heck, you're 70 steps from Main Street. You can also walk up the staircases, and then you're right there at the Sweeney's Switchback that takes you to Park City Mountain Resort. Beautiful 4-bedroom, 4 baths, sleeps 10 guests. Totally renovated. So this is a beautiful property, gorgeous views, and that is right in the heart of Old Town. So amazing property, and I think that a lot of people, it's very, very well received. We just picked that one up. So
it's a newer property on your guys' list, and I do like the interior design on that one is not completely different, but a little bit different than a lot of the other homes here in Park City. It looks a little bit more modern, industrial, kind of really cool. I like the sleek look to that one.
Contemporary, kind of industrial, so really a nice look.
Very nice on that one. Park City Victorian Village is the next one we head to.
Yeah, and that's real cute. Now here, if you're looking for an affordable product and a great location, this is at 12th Street in Empire. So the resort is right at 13th Street. So here it's a 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath. It sleeps 6 guests. You can walk right to the village. You can walk to Main Street, and they did a really cute job. This is a very affordable product in Old Town, and you can still have your whole family in there, at least a small family in there, and it's a great product. I really enjoy this property, and terrific owners that have done a nice job.
Absolutely, and if you really enjoy being in the Old Town part of Park City, that's a fantastic location for that, absolutely.
For sure.
So great properties you guys have to offer, and you picked up some new ones as well, which was really awesome.
Yeah.
I think the next thing we should move on to is you have a really cool Facebook contest coming up. We all know that you offer an amazing suite at the Jazz games at the Vivint Smart Home Arena.
Yes.
Can you tell me a little bit about the contest?
Sure. Well, we have a 24-seat Jazz suite, and that's free food and alcohol and everything. So every month we're running a contest on Facebook. You go to our Park City Rental Properties Facebook page. We're giving away 2 tickets to the February 14th game, the Jazz against the Phoenix Suns. So you get to sit right in the front row of our suite, free foods, free alcohol or your beverage of your choice, and really a great time. So go to our Facebook page, like the post on Facebook, and then also just share that with friends, and you're automatically entered. And also every month we're going to be giving away tickets to our suite. And just for what it's worth on that, if somebody has they want to come out here in ski season, we do have a name your price tool. So you come in, you name your price on a property, we'll take it to the owners, and we're also giving away tickets to Jazz games for people when they're in town as well.
So when you do rent a property, you have the opportunity to maybe go see a Jazz game.
Absolutely.
If that's something you're interested in, right?
Totally in style, too. It's really nice. You really like it. I invite you to come out, so that's
thank you so much.
Added bonus for you. Please
Highly
come out to a Jazz game.
Highly appreciated, Jim. Well, thank you so much. You showed us some amazing properties today, and we look forward to seeing you again after Sundance.
Thank you.
Absolutely. We'll be right back to wrap up this day's show on the Mountain Morning Show. Join us and stay with us. We'll be right back.